Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded, the channel where tech tips are made simple, clear, and incredibly useful. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the This PC icon to your Windows 11 desktop in just seconds. Yep, seconds. We'll look at two easy methods, and trust me, the second one is super quick, so don't skip it. Let's start with the first method. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. In the menu that appears, click on Personalize. This will take you straight to the Settings app, where all your desktop customization magic happens. Now, from the options on the left or middle panel, look for Themes and click on it. Scroll down a bit until you find Desktop Icon Settings under the Related Settings section. Click on that link. A new window will pop up showing you a list of icons you can add to your desktop. Simply check the box next to Computer, which is the same as This PC. Then click Apply and OK. And just like that, there it is. The This PC icon is now sitting right on your desktop, ready to give you quick access to your drives, folders, and files. Now let's move on to the second method, which is even faster. Open File Explorer. That's the folder icon on your taskbar. On the left panel, you'll see a shortcut labeled This PC. Just click and drag that shortcut right onto your desktop. Boom! You've created a shortcut to This PC in seconds. You can also right-click the new icon, go to Rename, and remove the word Shortcut if you want to keep it neat and clean. And there you have it. Two quick ways to get the This PC icon right on your Windows 11 desktop. Super handy, super simple. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you've got any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick tech tutorials, how-tos, and productivity tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.